Why is he rolling back? Oh shit, he's going to hit me.
What the fuck are you doing? Hey! Oh, son! I got you on fucking tape!
You just ran into me, got me on tape doing what?
You got into me!
You're full of shit!
I'll pull up the fucking footage!
Recording complete. Start recording emergency video.
They hit the inside wall. They roll over, get me EMS started. Got the number 3 lane shut down. Can you get out? Come on out. Come out this way, right here. Come out this way. Can you come out? Yeah, hold on a minute. Can you get out your passenger door? Here, I'm going to move this. Watch your head. Why didn't you stop?
Because I didn't feel like it was safe.
Well, this is where you ended up.
There was enough.
Watch your head. Can you come out this way? I got plenty of room right here. Are you the only one in the vehicle?
Yes.
Okay.
Pregnant.
Well, ma'am, you've got to pull over when we
I
stop.
had my flash.
It doesn't matter, ma'am. Come on
I didn't feel
out.
like it was safe.
I've got an ambulance coming for you.
You need help?
Hey, Sheila.
What's up, are you sound kind of free?
Come on, can you come out?
I'm trying.
Okay. I got an ambulance coming.
I know. Can you try to like make the seat lean back?
I did. I pushed it back as far as it would go. Because it was loaded up. It's as far as it'll go back.
Oh my gosh.
Ma'am, all you have to know, she's got blood all over her. Here, grab your door right here. Come on out, can you?
I'm trying.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Thought it would be safer to wait until the exit.
No, ma'am, you pull over when law enforcement stops you, okay? You were running 84 miles an hour and I was trying to get you to stop. And then when I pulled up alongside of you, you saw the state trooper, you looked over at me.
Because I
kept
could
going.
barely see.
Let's go over here.
I lost my shoe.
I will take care of that. Go sit down over here, okay?
Flip me over the road.
Sit down right there. We call it a pit maneuver when people flee from us or don't stop from us. That's what happened, okay? Do you need to sit down since you're pregnant? All you had to do was pull over,
Can you
ma'am.
please call my husband?
Yeah, we'll take care of that here in a minute. You don't have your cell phone on, do you? Do you mind calling? You could hit like star 67 and it'll block the call. What's his number?
501. 501. 2596.
13 the rock. I better have a vehicle.
Just got minor streets on her. Good station.
Light, Andrew thought. Could it be? Is madness caused by the taint? Is it still there? Andrew noticed for the first time that he was shielded, which they never did to captives unless letting their dose of fork root wane so they could be turned.
What are you doing?
That sent a spike of panic through him.
What are you
Were they coming for
doing?
him next?
Move!
The bar
Move!
sent. I have an idea.
Move!
Andrew started coughing through his gag. Evan jumped, then came over, bringing out his water flask and pouring water on the gag. Abors, one of Taim's flunkies, lounged against the wall.
What are
He
you
was holding a
doing?
shield. He glanced at Andrew, but something at the other side of the room drew his attention. Andrew coughed worse, so Evan untied the gag and rolled him to the side, letting him spit out the water. Quiet now, Evan said, glancing.
Ada bus ka memang depan? Ada bus. Wah, gila. Wah, gila, tabrakan. Wow, kebakar. Wah, gila. Ababrit, parah. Iya, gila. Ini lagi jajan depan gua nih. Iya, gila. Aduh, gila. Kepala sama kepala tabrakan. Iya, ini yang mobil samping gua ngebut. Itu lan kan ditutup, lan 4.拉菲好似都有讓500蚊，幾分鐘？哦，呢個車，stupid。
哇！係 open 嘅。
邊個逼邊個？嗰個梗係就逼㗎。
哇！
哦，佢喺後邊啊。小心！開始坐好。
住個相機影。我呢個已經有㗎啦。
Red Hill. There he goes, right through the red light. Oh! Officer's ready there for him. Yes. Oh, he's going around that car. Oh. To the street, and as he comes into the intersection here, red light, he's going to go across lanes. There he goes, wrong side of the road. Traffic here is going to go blow right by those cars there and continue southbound from the tight situation there. We don't know if there's anybody else in the vehicle, but look at, there's the couple units that are getting involved in the shoulder to get around all this heavy traffic. He's got traffic for miles and miles, and he's got a car there. Oh, he just climbed. And then certainly can make its way. But he's going through some construction cones there. Wow, very dangerous. And I don't know if there's any Caltrans up ahead, but oh, he just hit that car. Ugh, terrible, terrible situation for that driver. Yeah, unsuspecting. Yeah, he's no. Ugh. Ugh. Oh no, he might be carjacking. He might be doing a carjacking here. He's getting out. He went into the back seat for something. His car is smoking, so no, he's going to take off. I thought for a moment there they might try to carjacking an apartment complex, and he's going to push his way through, and he's got another car. He's got trouble right there. How's he going to get around this? Oh, he's getting out. No, he's going to go. He's carjacking that vehicle. It looks like it's a female. He pushed her out of the vehicle. Such a danger. This man's going to try to help. Oh, this is a terrible situation. He's trying to fight them. He's got nowhere to go, though. That's terrible. That man's got to get out of there. He's trapped. He could get squeezed right there. He needs to back off and just let this guy take that vehicle. Look out. Wow, this is a terrible situation. They're hot on his track. There's the officer coming into the screen. Yeah, so now he's going to come back out, and it looks like the officers are getting ready up ahead to pin this guy in. There's a pedestrian getting out of the way. They could be pinning him in there. Oh, no, he went right through that intersection. So turn pocket, he's got some room to go there. No, he's got another car. He's going to have to jump the center divider. There he goes, jumping the center divider into oncoming traffic, and that's going to be a left turn side. Hopefully it was just the woman there, but this is still westbound on Michelson, and oh, look at him, hard on the brakes there. He even kicked up some sparks. He's going right through the Jamboree. Yeah. It looks like it looks like he might be on a rim now. Oh no, he's gonna hit that car. Oh man, he just sideswiped that car there on the right hand side. Rest of that right rear. Oh, he's gonna get out again. He's got his door open. Oh, man, so dangerous. Oh, he hit right up on the grass and continues on. This is Von Carmen, I think. Oh, he's at 8 o'clock, Patrick. 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. He's out on foot now. He's trying to run. And he's running up this hill. He's going 10 o'clock, Patrick. 10 o'clock. Keep it coming around. It's a business complex, business area. He's got the dog coming at him. The dog takes him down right there. 12 o'clock, Patrick. 12 o'clock. The dog got him. The dog made the tackle right before he got into that business